Damage to any part of the spinal cord or nerves at the end of the spinal canal can lead to spinal cord damage. These damages can cause change in strength, sensation, and any body functions below the injury. Electrical stimulation is a technique used to create a muscle contraction using electrical impulses. The current research looks to analyze whether stem cell therapy combined with electrical stimuli and physical therapy can reverse spinal cord injury. The combination of stem cell therapy, electrical stimulation, and physical therapy should reverse spinal cord injury by keeping these areas of the brain and body active, teaching the systems all over how to be active and work with an individual's body. Electrical stimulation in the form of functional electrical stimulation can help facilitate and improve upper-lower limb mobility along with other body functions lost due to the injury by applying a controlled electrical stimulus to generate contractions and functional movement in the paralyzed muscles. Functional electrical stimulation is the process of applying safe levels of electrical current to activate the damaged system to achieve the lost function. Functional electrical stimulation can be used to provide exercise to improve blood circulation, range of motion, strength, and functional use of limbs. In this diagram, functional electrical stimulation is being used to cause the individual to walk. At the standstill position, there is no stimulation being given. Once the foot switch detects heel rise, it causes stimulation to be sent to the electrodes, which produces dorsiflexion and eversion through the swing motion. The foot switch then detects the heel strike. Stimulation ends after lowering the foot to the ground. Recent studies have shown that stem cell therapy has also improved functioning in patients suffering from spinal cord injuries. A stem cell continuously proliferates and asymmetrically divides to self-renew and generate daughter cells committed to differentiation. Human neural stem cells implanted into damaged mouse spinal cord generated new neurons and oligodendrocytes, leading to locomotor recovery. However, this method of therapy can cause hypersensitivity to stimuli that is not normally sensitive. The risks of stem cell therapy for spinal cord injury include tumor formation or abnormal circuit formation, leading to dysfunction. This graph shows effects and improvements in quadriplegic patients being treated with stem cell therapy. The main goal when treating spinal cord injury is to repair the damage caused by the injury. Treatment should not be limited to one method. Along with electrical stimulation and stem cell therapy, rehabilitation should also be a part of the treatment process. The rehabilitation process following a spinal cord injury typically begins in the acute care setting. As patients become more stable, they are able to take more control over their therapy and move from an acute setting to a larger facility. 150 patients from the VCU Rehabilitation and Research Center participated in this study for a $200 stipend. Flyers were posted in the rehabilitation center to recruit these participants. Those interested in participating signed a letter of consent before any surveys or procedures were performed. Participants will be randomly assigned to one of three groups. All groups will fill out a brief questionnaire containing 10 questions to obtain background information such as ethnicity, age when they experienced spinal cord injury, prognosis, and what treatments they've tried thus far. Group 1 will receive functional electrical stimulation along with physical therapy. Group 2 will receive stem cell therapy along with physical therapy, while Group 3 will experience functional electrical stimulation, stem cell therapy, and physical therapy. Researchers believe that functional electrical stimulation paired with stem cell therapy and physical therapy will be most effective in reversing spinal cord injuries. Researchers will use implanted functional electrical stimulation for direct stimulation of tissues and cells. After 1 hour of functional electrical stimulation, participants will be given a 2-hour resting period and then taken to the physical therapy at the VCU campus gym for 1 hour. Depending on what part of their body each participant needs to focus on, they will work one-on-one with a trainer to stimulate these specific areas. Group 2 will participate in 16 doses of stem cell therapy, followed by the same 1-hour physical therapy at the VCU gym. Group 3 will receive implanted functional electrical stimulation, immediately followed by the 16 doses of stem cell therapy and physical therapy as well. Each group will receive this treatment 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for 6 months. This research has several limitations, mainly the short timeline. The 6 months in this study may be an acceptable amount of time for participants with relatively minor spinal cord injuries, but not those with major deficits. Future researchers may want to spread their study out over a year's time or longer to get better and more accurate results.